All right, y'all. Keith Dykes here with W.K.D. Construction. We are standing in front of the fireplace in the pool house. And today we are going to be affixing, fastening the fireplace surround to the fireplace. But we are going to make it removable. That is the big key. I want to be able to take it off later on down the road. If, say, something happens with the gas line, maybe some wiring in the TV or something, I just want to be able to take the surround off and replace it, or, you know, just take it out. I can move the firebox and put it back in and not have to damage the fireplace surround. So I was just kind of going online trying to find something we could be a hidden type fastener, and I think I found it. It is called a, I believe it's called a Beau clip, B-E-A-U clip, and it's made for panels basically. Just got a male, got a female. Recess this with the Forstner bit on the back side, a little 1/2 inch hole, and then once you screw this to one side, this to the other, it actually just mates and makes a really nice tight connection, and it's hidden. So if you take a look, turn the light on. If you take a look at the back side of the mantle, I have a rabbet joint at the bottom, a rabbet joint on the top. So when it sets against the fireplace, it actually does not, the back of the fireplace surround does not touch the framing. So I'm gonna have to use some furring blocks like I got right here, and just fur it out. That way these clips will actually be close enough to fasten together. So I grabbed some 1x, basically ripped it down almost 3/8 of an inch, 3x3 square, and just placed them around the frame where I think it needs to be fastened. Put a couple of GRK trim headed screws just to hold those. And I'll stick the surround on, take a 1/16 inch drill bit and drill through, and that will give me a placement of where my clips need to be. So I got the surround on there. I have my blocks marked on the fireplace where I want to drill a hole. 1/16 inch drill bit. Now that I have an accurate place to use my Forstner bit, which I got to use a Forstner bit because the back side of these brackets have a little 1/2 inch hole. So I've got my Forstner bit, fits nice and tight, and then I can use a number 4 1/2 inch screw to fasten that in there, and it'll be solid. But here, see that hole, and this one's done. I just used it just to kind of see what I was doing, make sure I was doing it right. So on the back side of the surround, I have a 1/16 inch hole, and then I can just take the pointy part of the Forstner bit. I'm just going the depth of that, of the bit itself, which is about 3/8 of an inch. Now that I have my holes recessed in there, I'm just going to take the male part. Using a number 4 by 1/2 inch long, just a standard screw. Just make sure your screws aren't longer than the thickness of your surround, because it'll poke through. We used all the males on the surround, and we're just going to install the female right onto the frame. Let's try it out. Beautiful. Yes, very nice. So I just got a little bit of black caulking. Let's go ahead and fill these tiny holes here, because I think I'm gonna go ahead and repaint the surround again. All right, we got it. Pretty happy with the results. You know, actually, it fit a lot tighter than what I thought it was going to be. I know there's going to be a crack around it because it's not mechanically fastened to the fireplace, but I mean, it turned up how I thought it would be anyway. I'll just give you a little closer peek. Light. So I mean, there is a slight crack, but nothing bad. There it is, that's it. That's how we installed some hidden clips to make a fireplace surround removable. So if you like what we're doing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment, tell us where you're from. You know, I'll try to answer. If you got any questions, I'll try to answer as best as I can. But y'all have a great day, and thanks for watching.